Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Today we're having a look at FTX, the platform itself and the utility token. We'll go into detail. We'll do a price prediction and a price analysis. Now before we get this video started, I must declare this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. Now the FTX exchange, which is a platform, it was started by a group of successful crypto traders back in late 2019 with the mission of bringing more trading options and higher security to fellow traders. Now, interestingly, the platform initially specialized in crypto futures markets where traders can create contracts stipulating that they will buy or sell a certain amount of asset at a certain time in the future. Now, once the predetermined market conditions came to pass, the buyer and seller are obligated to smart contracts to fulfill their parts of the deal. This is a popular type of trade for those who wish to speculate on the price movements of assets without having to hold the actual asset itself. Now it gets even more interesting than this, believe it or not. An even more popular future vehicle on the FTX exchange is the perpetual futures market, the main difference being that the trade is settled in the asset itself. For example, Bitcoin. One advantage of this is that traders need never sell their BTC, but can continue to accumulate more and more of the scarce cryptocurrency with every successful trade. And additionally, it gets more exciting. Another advantage is that users can trade with higher leverages, meaning that the potential profit are higher, but also potential magnifying the losses as well. And that's the thing with crypto. People always say don't invest what you can't lose because it's the kind of industry that anything can happen. Now, personally, I think the best way to explain what FTX is if you go on their mission statement. This is very important because it simply says FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange built by traders for traders. FTX offers incentives, products including industry-first derivatives, options, volatility products, and leveraged tokens. Now it says we strive to develop a platform robust enough for professional trading firms and institutions enough for the first-time users. They also have a wide array of partners. Some of these partners include Rabbit Capital, Proof of Capital, Lightspeed, Tomo Bravo, Multicoin Capital. The list goes on, including Paxos Pax, True USD, that's a trust token, and Circle, and the list goes on. Now here's what we'll do. We'll have a look at the price right now, where the price was 7 days ago, 30 days ago, 3 months ago, and even a year ago. First thing to understand, the circulating supply is only 34% of the max supply. That's 120 million in circulating supply and 352 million in max supply. Why is this? Well, the simple reason is that the max supply, it's distributed into different areas for different reasons to make sure that the cryptocurrency and its platform will profit over a long period of time. To make sure that the platform can fund itself, can run itself without having any money issues, without having any, essentially securing the network, the platform future, and the token future. Now the price is currently $76.71. But why is this? Why is the price so high? Because the circulating supply isn't exactly low. 120 million in the circulating supply, that is not low. You got to remember Bitcoin is 21 million. Compare that with 120 million alone in circulating supply. There clearly has to be more reasons to this. Now on another note, the market cap at the moment is 9.2 billion. We're going to have a look at this as well because while we do a price prediction, we'll also do a market cap prediction. Now what I've got here is a chart showing you the last 7 days, and at some of its lowest point, the price was just $59 per coin. Now within the last 7 days, at the highest point, the price was around $83 or $84. That's really impressive considering that it was around $59. That's a huge difference. Now, if you take a deeper look at the price over the last month, you realize that the token price was around $44, if not less. Now, after all, this is in the last month alone. Now, additionally, in some recent news, FTX has actually announced that FTX US is acquiring Ledger X. Now, Ledger X is a licensed US-based option and feature trading platform. So it makes a lot of sense that FTX would want to acquire a platform such as Ledger X. Now, in additional news, Star Atlas, the token, was actually listed on FTX recently as well. This is obviously big because Star Atlas is an upcoming game. It's an upcoming crypto game, a blockchain game that will actually have a lot of assets that are NFT available. So this was an important part for FTX, appeasing to the NFT side and the gamer side of the blockchain and cryptocurrency community. This was a big step, an important step, because I think a lot of platforms like FTX, they actually realized that they missed an opportunity with NFTs and with crypto gaming, and they don't want to continue missing opportunities. You know, a lot of these platforms, these companies, a lot of individuals as well, they missed a lot of opportunity when it comes to crypto gaming apps such as Axie Infinity, and the list goes on. And a lot of these companies, they don't want to make the same mistake twice or more times. So obviously, FTX is on an upward trend right now. The token is doing really well, but long term, I'd like to make an estimate around $90. It got really close to $90 quite recently, so it's definitely going to happen. It's most likely going to happen before the end of September, but before the end of this year, I'm looking at $100 per token. That'd be a really big deal for FTX, but it will also mean that this will also result in the market cap being moved up around 25%. That is huge. That's just a quick estimate. We're obviously looking at a market cap around anywhere from 11 billion to 15 billion. That is huge. The price will be huge. The market cap will be huge. The community is just driven in excitement. You got to also acknowledge that this coin is currently ranked 20th coin in the world. That's the 20th coin by market cap. Now, out of a lot of cryptocurrency on the blockchain right now, FTX is one of the few that is not necessarily plummeting right now. Yes, the price has fallen, but the price hasn't fallen in comparison with a lot of other cryptocurrency within our blockchain, within our community, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the big cryptos. They've all been following the same trend of falling in price and falling in market cap as well. Bitcoin is falling to 45 grand. But Solana keeps on going up in price. FTX keeps on going up in price. Cryptos like Terra keeps on going up in price. They're proving that they're very different from other crypto, and they are not following the traditional cryptocurrency trend. You can see that within the last 7 days of most of these cryptocurrency, at some point around the third or fourth day, they all started falling and losing a lot of momentum, losing a lot of price. Now, obviously, like everything in the cryptocurrency world, this is temporary. For most cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, they will always go back up in due time. But it's really amazing to see cryptos like Solana, cryptos like Terra, and obviously cryptos like FTX. They're just doing their own thing. They're just finding their own path, and they're not really waiting on anyone else's permission to do what they'd like to do. They're just doing it and setting themselves apart while they do it really good. So naturally, I expect big things from FTX. Another crypto that's doing really well right now is obviously Avalanche, which a lot of people have slept on for a very long time. But in another video, we'll have a deeper look into Avalanche because it's still a brilliant cryptocurrency. It's still a super fast blockchain. Transaction speeds are really high. So it's really useful for a lot of people, and it's the 17th coin in the world by market cap. Do not underestimate Avalanche. Similar to FTX, you do not want to underestimate this crypto. They've both shown incredible strength in the last month alone, not to mention the last 3 months. So thank you for watching. Let me know, what do you think about my price prediction and my market cap prediction? Is there anything you think that I forgot? Is there anything that I missed? And what else would you like me to make a video on? Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.